In this video, we're going to talk about the Cartesian coordinate system. Now, this is named after a French philosopher named René Descartes. In fact, you can see in the word Cartesian, the word carte, and also in the word Descartes, you see carte. Now, René Descartes was most famous for saying cogito ergo sum, which means I think, therefore I am. But he was also a mathematician, and he invented this coordinate system that now bears his name. Now, within this Cartesian coordinate system, you have two number lines. You have a horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. And you can plot ordered pairs in this coordinate system. I've plotted the ordered pair 3, 2. Now the 3, the first coordinate, is called the x-coordinate, and the 2, the second coordinate, is called the y-coordinate. And the 3, 2 tells you where the point is in the plane. The x-coordinate tells you how far to go left and right, so you begin here at the center point called the origin. It has coordinates 0, 0. And the 3 tells you that you're going to move to the right 3. If it had been -3, you'd move to the left 3. And the 2 tells you you're going to move up 2. So you begin at the origin, you move right 3, and then up 2. Now we could also plot other points. For example, the point -4, 1 is over here. The -4 tells you that you're going to move to the left 4, and then the 1 tells you you will move up 1. Now notice the point 3, 2 had both coordinates being positive. In fact, that's true for all points that are up here in what's called quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, the upper left quadrant, the first coordinate is negative and the second coordinate is positive. And in quadrant 3, both coordinates are negative. For example, if we want to plot the ordered pair -2, -4, that would be right here. We move to the left 2, begin at the origin, move to the left 2, and down 4. In quadrant 4, the first coordinate will be positive. First coordinate of any point will be positive, and the second coordinate will be negative. For example, the point 3, -1 is right here. So the quadrants are numbered beginning in the upper right corner and moving in a counterclockwise fashion until you get to the lower right corner. Now there are some points that don't lie within any of the quadrants. For example, this point right here has coordinates 0, 3, because you move left and right 0 and you move up 3. That point lies in between quadrants 1 and 2. It lies out along the y-axis.